Carrie, a certified personal trainer. Today we're doing a short workout session to work out your adductor muscles, otherwise known as your inner thighs. All you're gonna need today is a bench or a chair, something to sit on or prop yourself up on that is a stable surface. Let's get started by taking a seat. Feet should be flat on the floor, knees are hip distance apart, and you're gonna make fists together and place them on the inside of your knees. We're going to squeeze your knees in towards your fists. Go squeeze for 3, 2, 1, release. Again, 3, 2, 1, release. So we're gonna keep doing this. That's 3, we're gonna do it 10 times. And you should feel the inner thigh muscles start to light up here. While you're sitting here, try to bring the chest forward. Lift your head straight up. We're sitting up tall. It's a good reminder for myself. Let's do 3 more of these. 3, 2, 1. Squeezes, 2 more. And then we're gonna come down to the floor. Last one. I think that was a bonus one. Down to the floor for our Copenhagen plank, our bent knee Copenhagen plank. I place the top leg onto the bench, my elbows coming underneath my shoulder, and I lift up, squeezing the bottom leg up towards the bottom part of my bench. So if you're working with a chair or a couch, this might be more challenging. You might have to play around with the placement of that bottom leg. But the top leg should be bent, and you should really be feeling this top adductor muscle, or, well, there's several muscles in there. You should be really feeling this top inner thigh lighting up here. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna turn around and do the other side. You can continue to face the screen if that's your setup, and lift up in 3, 2, 1. And while I'm holding here, I'm thinking of pressing my hips open and forward, not letting the butt fall back towards my heels. Keep breathing, keep lifting up off of that elbow for 3, 2, and 1. Gently come down. Place one knee on your bench. The other leg comes out to the side, it's straight, hands support you on the bench. We rock the hips back and forward. This is a stretch for the adductors instead of being an activation. So if you have very tight adductor muscles, you may find, wow, this is a major stretch. For me, I'm a little more flexible, so this doesn't feel that intense for me. But I know a lot of clients that I work with who are like, yes, this is very effective. Okay, you're gonna switch over to the other side and rock back. Oh, this side's a little bit tighter. So you might find that as well. You might find that one side feels this stretch more intensely than the other side. Let's do 10 more seconds here. And then we're gonna come to standing next to our bench. 3, 2, 1. Stand next to your bench. You'll be about 1 to 2 feet away from it, depending on the length of your legs. I'm placing my foot with the sole of my foot down onto the bench as opposed to sideways. So I'm here. I'm gonna press that foot into the bench. You should feel those muscles light up. Hold it, and now we're going to lift up, hold, bring it back down, press down. We're holding 3, 2, 1. Now we lift up, 3, 2, 1. Again, we press down, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, 3, 2, 1. Keep going at that tempo. And if you're not holding on to something for balance, it's okay for you to shift back and forth, especially on this standing leg. But try not to be tipping over to get that leg up. So I'm a dancer, so my leg pops up. Yours might not be as flexible. Yours might not quite lift up as high. Let's switch to the other side. Again, foot is planted on the bench. We press down into the bench. 3, 2, 1, and lift up. 3, 2, 1. Press down. 3, 2, 1. Lift up, 3, 2, 1. Keep going at this tempo. Again, you might need a lower surface to complete this movement on. That's fine. Do what you need to do. Last one. Lift up, 3, 2, 1. Let's run that circuit one more time. Sitting down, getting our fists together. We squeeze the knees in towards the fist. 3, 2, 1, and release. 3, 2, 1. Release. Keep going at that tempo. There are so many barriers to fitness, I feel like, which you might not feel that way, but I do feel like there are a lot of barriers for a lot of different people to fitness. And so I was hoping that by doing this workout with just a bench and body weight, that might be one way to decrease the barriers, make fitness more accessible to more people and to more bodies. Let's do 2 more squeezes here. My adductors are definitely starting to feel this workout. Last one. Release, coming down into that bent knee Copenhagen plank. And we're lifting up onto whatever surface you have available for you. I do want to note, I'm not tucking this bottom foot onto the top foot. I'm not using it to keep the leg up. I'm still actively squeezing this bottom leg up towards the bottom surface. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch over to the other side, however you want to get there. And we are up. This side is definitely easier for me, that right leg. It is happier to do the work here than my left leg. Okay, we got 10 seconds left in this position. Can you open your hips more? Can you squeeze those knees together more, even though you've got your bench between them? And come on down. Let's go into that half rocker stretch. Knee comes onto the bench, leg goes out to the side. We rock back and forth. You can also do this motion on the floor. So if you're a more flexible person, you might find that the floor is actually more helpful in getting a deeper stretch in this position. And I know that this is like an adductor workout. We're strengthening the inner thighs. Last one, and then let's switch to the other side. But the reason I put this stretch in here is because I find that so many people have really tight adductors, and we can't strengthen a muscle if it's already gripping on for dear life, right? It's already working as hard as it can. So we've got to lengthen these muscles out if that's needed. Let's do 2 more rock backs here, and then we're coming up into that standing position. Good, stand sideways. If this was a struggle for you on the first set, grab something to hold on to, like a foam roller or a dowel or a door frame. Press that leg down for 3, 2, 1, and then we lift. 3, 2, 1. Now on this side, I'm gonna try to not shift my body weight over as much as I was during the first set. This muscle is really warmed up now. And the reason I'm having you do this lift, it's kind of the same philosophy as doing those stretches just a second ago. We also want to lengthen those adductor muscles as well so we can get more out of them. Last one, switch over to the second side. We're almost through this quick workout. Press down, 3, 2, 1, lift up, 3, 2, 1. We press down, 3, 2, 1. We lift up, 3, 2, 1. Keep going at that tempo. Give me 1 more here, 3, 2, 1, and lift. 3, 2, 1. We did it! Oh, sorry. Oh, that was a terrible singing. I'm so sorry for that. But I'm so glad that you were here for this workout. If you liked this workout, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. I've got more workouts like this on there. I'm Natalie Carey. Thank you for being excellent to yourself today.